Hello, hello. Hello. Hey guys, it's been a minute. It's me, Victor, and this is Monica.
Hello.
Yeah, haven't seen you guys in so long. I feel like it's our time to connect now.
We've done a few things during the pandemic, but most importantly, we've been keeping safe and healthy. We've been maintaining our social distancing rules, always wearing masks, Hopefully you guys have been okay. You guys have been safe and healthy as well, all of your family members. But we are back and we are ready to continue on this journey, and we are ready for you guys to continue on this journey with us as well.
One new thing that we learned over this pandemic, we picked up gardening. We planted several fruits like squash, watermelon, that tomatoes, that one grew.
We did a lot of strawberries.
Strawberries, yeah, they're
So
juicy.
So juicy. We had some tomatoes and some squash, but we can show you guys in a little clip about that. I think our biggest accomplishment so far have been our avocados. Those have been growing nuts, and I am so proud of those. I don't even know how they've been surviving. I guess just the weather here in San Francisco is just great. We have a new house dog. His name is Kylo. He is not much of a husky rather than a cat, which is odd because he's about like 7 months old.
Yeah, he's already getting to the year.
Yeah, but he does not act like a puppy. He sleeps all day. He just like lays on the couch. He leaves hair everywhere. He like chokes on it like a cat, like a hairball. No, it's nasty.
Weird. And he's very vocal.
Not that much.
He likes to say hi when you get home, basically. Ow! Hello. Oh my god, what are you doing? The other day, me and Monica were thinking, hey, let's try to learn something new. And we just did our research like normal people. Not really. She just stumbled across an old magazine. But yeah, we're gonna bake a loaf of bread. Let's see how that goes. Yeah, it's that magazine. I haven't read it, but
there is no dents. There is no, any of the edges are messed up, and it clearly says 10, 19, 20. Okay. I don't think it's that old.
Okay, I guess it's not that old. I thought it was old. But yeah, we're gonna bake a loaf of bread and let's see how it comes out.
This is our new journey of learning how to bake bread for the sake of learning basic shit.
So after this first bread, let's see if you're gonna accompany us. If you want to bake bread with us.
Why after this first bread?
What if it comes out bad? It's just like discourages.
But it's part of the journey anyways.
Okay, let's do it again. So during this video, you're gonna accompany us on our journey of baking a loaf of bread.
Basic life skills.
Yes, and after this, you're gonna be kneeling out. Not 1,000, not 100, 1 million.
Alrighty guys, so without further ado, we'll just get right on it. Let's go hit some dough.
Okay, I think that was good.
Hopefully you guys like this video.
Oh, we haven't done that?
No! What's up you guys, we are back and we're finally gonna do the bread. We didn't mention previously what kind of bread we're doing, but we're just gonna do a basic peasant bread today. We don't need a lot of ingredients. It's one of the most common loaves to do out there. Hopefully we can get it right. It does take quite a bit of time for the proofing and the whole baking, but if you guys stick long enough, we'll get there.
For our first ingredient, it's gonna be unbleached bread flour. And then for our first utensil, it's gonna be one of these spatulas. It doesn't have to be this color, but it can be any color. And then second utensil, just a simple glass bowl. If you want to get a bigger one, no preference. And then these tablecloths, you'll see why we use these. Very informational. And then these active dry yeast. You can get them in your local supermarket, anywhere. And then these measuring cups to measure stuff. And then
we have a nice casserole.
so this is gonna be an experiment. So our recipe says we have to use a Dutch oven, but for this
Or a skillet.
Or a skillet, but for this episode we're gonna try a casserole and see how that turns out. This thing sounds like you're cutting through wood.
What are the thoughts? What do we think?
With some butter, this would smack.
Should it be toasted?
Toasted?
Yeah.
No, it tastes like the bread from Cheesecake Factory.
Like the
Hard
the
consistency
brown
on
bread?
outside. But soft inside.
The brown bread?
Mm.
Really? You think so? This is our peasant bread, guys. It's so small.
Here.
Yeah, I know. It's not meant supposed to be to look like this. Obviously, something went wrong with the proving, and something went wrong with just.
Nothing went wrong. I strongly believe this is A-okay. Alright, eat this. This thing looks like it just came from Italy.
Okay.